हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम प्रिया सिंह फ्रॉम मेकिंग डॉक्टर्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। आज हमारे साथ हैं नित्या मैम, जो करंट 4th ईयर स्टूडेंट है इन जियोमेडी यूनिवर्सिटी जॉर्जिया। सो हेलो नित्या मैम, वेलकम टू इंडिया बैक।
Thank you.
सो नित्या मैम, सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, लाइक अभी जो 12th नीट की एग्जाम खत्म हुई है, सो अभी सारे स्टूडेंट्स अब्रॉड एमबीबीएस के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, प्लान कर रहे हैं। सो स्पेशली आप एज अ गर्ल, आप जॉर्जिया लाइक इतना दूर कंट्री गए एंड देन वहां पे आप स्टडी कर रहे हैं। सो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपका एक्सपीरियंस लाइक कैसा रहा 4 ईयर में, वो जानना चाहती हूँ। बिकॉज अभी काफी सारे पेरेंट्स हैं जिनकी डॉटर है, सो वो प्लान कर रहे हैं कि जॉर्जिया और अदर कंट्रीज में एमबीबीएस करने के लिए भेजे, बट डॉटर चाइल्ड है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा आपको पता है कि लाइक इंडियन पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो थोड़े पॉजिटिव होते हैं। सो प्लीज आपका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करिए, कैसा रहा आपका 4 ईयर जॉर्जिया में।
Right. Thank you so much for the question. Thank you for having me. First thing, congratulations to every child who's written NEET exam. I know how competitive the exam is, and it brings back a lot of memories. So congrats regardless whatever your marks are. And if you are considering an option to study MBBS outside India, Georgia is a brilliant option. And I'll tell you why, especially that you've concentrated on girls. Number one is safety. For regardless of if it's a girl or a boy, for a parent, the safety of the child is very important, and for that matter, Georgia is very safe. And within our university, I keep telling this wherever I go. It's a bunch of strong women that we see working every single day, be it our professors, our dean herself, our rector. All of them are women, and it's a community where women support women and women inspire women. So especially for girls, it's a beautiful source of motivation for us to study better and grow better, both personally and professionally. So yes, with regards to safety, with regards to education, everything fits well for the criterion of girls, if I were to say. And Indian parents don't have to worry about anything if with regards to anything of that sort in Georgia.
ओके, सो सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी के बारे में यस डेफिनेट आपने बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया है। सो डेफिनेटली पेरेंट्स आपके आंसर से सेटिस्फाई होंगे। बट सेकंड क्वेश्चन पेरेंट्स का ये होता है कि लाइक फूड एकोमोडेशन, बिकॉज वो इंडिया से हैं, सो कुछ ये पेरेंट्स का कंसर्न रहता है कि लाइक वहां जाने के बाद बच्चों को इंडियन फूड मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, कैसा रहेगा, तो उसके बारे में कैसे?
Yes, yes. Geomedi especially, we have a very prominent Gujarati community, I should say. More than half of our students in the Indian students are Gujaratis. And even though I'm not from Gujarat, I'm from Kerala, I know very well about the Gujarati culture, the food, Garba. I don't know the number of times I've done Garba, the number of times I've eaten Gujarati food is, I can't count them. It's usually like, my friend, all of them are from Gujarat. So khichdi, dokla, all of that I'm very familiar with, and I can understand Gujarati as well. So all of that is possible because we have hostel facilities there as well. Separate boys and girls accommodation is possible there. Plus, it's taken care by a Gujarati couple, wonderful couple, Dhaval Bhai and Brijesha ma'am. So they're also Gujarati, and that's how I got into Gujarati cuisine. The food is amazing as well. So pretty much we start with hostel in our first years. And students are given the option to move out to apartments as well, which is also a very safe option in Georgia. And we have another thing is the student community, our seniors. Okay. If there's any problem, we always go to our seniors, and that's what we are doing for our juniors as well. As a 4th-year medical student, I'm part of the student council as well. If there's any problem, you come to us. We'll guide you, and the admin team of the university is also 100% on board. So again, food and accommodation, do not worry, you will be fine. But of course, it's home is home, ma's ma, so you'll miss that. But it's basically after 4 years of living in Georgia, I can say it's home away from home.
Okay, that's great. So ma'am, last question कि आप वहाँ पे 4 ईयर से स्टडी कर रहे हो, सो आर यू सेटिस्फाइड विद द स्टडी पैटर्न एंड एवरीथिंग कि लाइक स्टूडेंट्स को वहाँ जाना चाहिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, एंड देन वहाँ की जो स्टडी पैटर्न है वो आप लाइक कितना सेटिस्फाइड है आप उससे?
I'm very satisfied, I would say that. Obviously, as a student who's contemplating to go abroad and study MBBS, and their parents, we're all worried if we will be worth coming back. If we are all equally skilled doctors when compared to our Indian counterparts. I will say it depends on the individual person. So if I want to study, it doesn't matter if it's Georgia, if it's India, wherever I want, I will study. And with regards to clinical exposures as well, there is a myth that we say we don't have much clinical exposure. Yes, there is a barrier, language barrier, and all of that with regards to clinical exposure. But we also have our doctors who will communicate with the patient for us.
Okay.
So I don't have one lecture in the university right now. From seventh semester onwards, you start lectures in hospitals. So, and also just a student to student advice, I would say, when you're coming back home to India for your vacations, go to local hospitals, do observerships here, and I'm sure MDO also can help you with that, with observerships. They have partnered universities here. So that is a very good opportunity, and you should do that when you are coming for vacations. So that increases the clinical exposure. And the pattern, education pattern, I kept telling it to students as well. If we are studying in this pattern in India, we are studying in this pattern in Georgia, but it's the same content. So we don't have to worry about it. It depends on us. If you have the passion to become a good doctor, you will become, and you don't have to worry about whether or not you did it here or there. So I'm totally satisfied, and I think you will be as well.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your very valuable feedback to us. So पेरेंट्स जैसे कि अभी आपने नित्या मैम से सुना कि लाइक वो 4 ईयर से वहाँ पे स्टडी कर रहे हैं एंड जॉर्जिया एंड जियोमेडी इज सेफ फॉर गर्ल चाइल्ड. वहाँ पे आप सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, फूड, एकोमोडेशन, अगर सबकी बात करें तो लाइक ओवरऑल इट इज़ सेफ. वहाँ का स्टडी पैटर्न जो है वो डेफिनेटली लाइक इंडिया में वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो यहाँ पे आके नेक्स्ट एग्जाम वगैरह क्लियर कर सकते हैं, तो कोई इशू नहीं है. So if you have any kind of doubt or query regarding Georgia or any other country, then you can connect us. Thank you so much for